steak that I have in my hand is worth $500. And she's going to grill it.
Ooh.
Today I'm joined by my lovely girlfriend. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
And the reason that she's here is because I had this fun idea of getting a hold of one of the most exclusive steaks in the world and just give it to my girlfriend and let her cook it. So, this is something really special.
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever had wagyu?
No. You did once bring something home, but...
What?
A brisket, I think?
Wagyu
brisket.
brisket. So, did you ever grill the steak before?
Never. I mean, not even at home, a $4 one.
So let's talk about the steak. This is one of the most exclusive steaks in the world. Here, take a look at this.
Yeah.
Are you scared?
I am.
Why?
I never did this in my whole life. I never grilled a steak, so you gave me this hunk of meat. I have no idea what to do with it. And plus, it's a special cow, right?
Yeah.
I just don't want to ruin it.
It's a good thing because you have respect for what you're grilling. So don't worry about it. But yeah, you're still gonna feel the pressure anyway because there are a lot of people watching.
You make it worse. Okay.
No, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. And besides that, you're gonna get the full wagyu experience because this is a Kagoshima A5 BMS12 wagyu steak. This is by many believed to be the best steak in the world. It has super duper marbling, intramuscular fat, and when you bite into this, you're entering heaven. Because if you eat this for the first time, you'll get an experience that you won't get with any other steak. Okay, so what do you know about barbecues?
What do I know about barbecues?
You're gonna be fine. We're using the masterbuild, and it's an amazing device because it's user-friendly, it's easy, it's a gravity-fed charcoal smoker. So basically you put charcoal in, there's a fan on the bottom, it's electronic, it blows hot air against the hot charcoal and then it creates heat all around the barbecue. So we're doing a reverse sear. Do you know what it is?
I have no idea what it is.
So basically, you put the steak on the grill, let it smoke, let it slowly come up to temperature, and after that you take it off, let it completely rest, and then you're gonna grill it. So I think you just have to get going. Here you go.
Okay.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you basically do is you open this lid, then you put charcoal in here, and then you fire up a fire starter, you put it in right here, and then you set the temperature, and then you can grill. All right? So you open up the lid, grab a bag of charcoal, then you open the bottom lid, take a fire starter, and light it up. Then you close the lid again,
Okay.
and now you can start up the barbecue. Now comes the fun part.
Okay.
You take the steak,
Yep.
put it on the grill,
In the middle?
in the middle,
All right. Yeah.
but of course you want to keep track of it.
Yeah.
So,
Ooh,
take a
fancy.
thermometer,
Yeah.
take the number 1, and now you take the meter thermometer and stick it dead center in the middle. That way you can always keep track of the core temperature. Take my phone. Now all you have to do is wait here, check the temperature, and call me when it's happening.
Okay.
While the steak is smoking on the masterbuild, you can see it's picking up heat, the color is changing, and the smell is amazing. This steak is starting to look really, really amazing. I think she's doing a great job. When the core temperature hits 54 degrees Celsius, it's time that she takes off the steak and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. So we smoked a beautiful steak to a temperature of 54 degrees Celsius, is resting right now. This is the time that you want to convert to grilling. What do you think so far? Are you excited?
I am, but now the grilling part, and that's kind of scary for me.
This is where the real magic happens. So what you want to do is take out these two, because this is your ordinary grill grate. Now you use your gloves and grab one on both sides, then you take out the heat deflector. Now you put on this one, and this will let the heat rise up, so you get direct heat. And now the most beautiful thing, it's perfect. Now set the temperature to 250 degrees Celsius. And now we'll let the cast iron grill plate come up to temperature and season it with a little bit of olive oil. It's glowing hot. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, especially me. Grab it.
Ooh.
Oh God.
Yes?
Yes, and put it on. Now what you want to do is Leave it here for around 30 seconds, then flip it.
Oh!
Grab it again.
Okay.
And pull it straight up, because we need to sear around these parts as well. Now you grab it and take it to the board. That's looking beautiful.
Yeah, is it?
You kind of demolished the crust a little bit here.
Yeah,
but that's
sorry.
okay. It's soft meat, that's okay. So let's check the other side as well. Kind of demolished here a little bit as well. You did it with force, that's also a good thing. You wasn't scared. So now we just let this rest and I'm gonna slice into it. So while the steak was cooking, I started chopping vegetables to prepare an Asian side dish. Because when you eat your first wagyu steak, you need to experience it Asian style. I'm letting my pan come up to temperature. Then I'm adding a little bit of wok oil. Then I'm adding ginger, a chopped shallot and 3 garlic cloves. Then straight away I'm adding my carrots and my celery. Then it's time for udon noodles. I just love udon noodles. I've boiled them for 8 minutes in hot water and then I added a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of ketchup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and then I mixed it all up. So while I'm stir frying my veggies, I'm adding the udon noodles. Then I'll stir fry it for a couple minutes more and your noodles are done. Now it's time to add the wagyu steak on top of this beautiful dish. Behold. I think you did a pretty amazing job. It looks perfect, it's pinkish, it's medium rare, it's looking beautiful, it's a beautiful steak. But these are big slices. I think, first of all, take a slice of this and dip it in a little bit of salt. And first, we're just gonna have your first wagyu experience.
Okay. Oh, whoa. It's so tender. Never tasted it in my whole life. It's super delicious.
So, you like it?
I do.
I'll suggest that you slice off tiny bits.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Wow.
You did a pretty good job. It's amazing.
I'm impressed. I mean, I've seen the process, but this looks good. These slices are big, but there's going one thing through my mind right now. So I'm just gonna fill it with the noodles and then roll it up as a carpaccio.
Oh my God.
I don't know about this. I mean, this works. Holy moly, this is good. If you think Morrison's girlfriend did a good job, comment down below. And I think she did. Who do we want to thank?
Everyone.
All of them.
All of them. So...
See you guys next time. Until then.
Yeah, eet smakelijk.
And keep on grilling. Morrison.
Yeah.
This is crazy, man.
Oh, the noodles.
It kind of looks amazing.